So here we've got original amount, and this is when it's a decrease. Okay, so this is when it's 100% minus a percentage. So in a sale, all cameras are reduced by 20%. Now the key words there are, apologies, reduced by. Okay, it is reduced, so we are taking away. That is what that means. Okay, a camera now costs £45. Calculate the original cost of the camera. So it's been reduced by 20%. So this time it's 100%, take away the 20%, and that is 80%. So we've got 80% equals £45. Okay. Now we want 100%, and it's the exact same as when we've got an increase. Okay, it's the same method that we're going to use. We're going to first find 1%, and then we're going to find 100%. So 80, and we're going to divide by 80 to get a 1%. Okay, so 45 divided by 80, 0.5625, and that's in pounds. And now I need to find 100%, so I need to times by 100, which will give me £56.25. So the original cost of the camera was £56.25, but once it's had 20% taken off in the sale, it's £45. I'm going to show you how you would do this without a calculator. So the exact same question. Okay, we've got, with it there, we go. We've got 80% equals £45. Rather than dividing by 80, let's divide by 4. Now if I divide by 4, that's going to get me 20%. Okay, and I can do a wee sum at the side if I like. £45 divided by 4. So how many 4 is going to 4? 1. How many 4 is going to 5? 1, remainder 1. How many 4 is going to 10? 2, remainder 2. How many 4 is going to 20? 5. So £11.25. That's 20%, and that's by dividing that by 4. And then to get 100%, 20 times what is 100? Times them by 5. So £11.25. If you need to, you might not need to do a sum at the side, times by 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 5 times 1 is 5. And we get the exact same answer, as we should. Okay, so we've got with a calculator, without a calculator. Okay, it's the exact same sum. Okay, example 2. A car is valued at £3,780. This is 16% less than last year's value. So that less than is our keyword that tells us we're subtracting. We're subtracting 100%, take away the 16, because that is what that is telling us to do. What was the value of the car last year? So we've got our 100%, take away 16%. Oh. So we've got 84% equals 3,780. Now I want 1%. So I'm going to divide by 84. And divide this side by 84. So here we've got 3780 divided by 84. And I get 45. so £45. I want 100% though. I want to find out what it was last year. So I need to then times both sides by 100. 4,500. So last year the car was worth 4,500, but this year it's worth 16% less, so it's worth £3,780.